Now let's take these bar chords that we've been learning and start applying them with making chord progressions up the neck. I'm only going to use simple shapes that we've learned so far, and I'm going to show you where you should dedicate your practice time to this week. It's really going to help your playing and expand your fretboard knowledge. So I'm going to pick A. A is going to be our key today. That'll be our number one, home base. When I say let's go back home, let's go home to A. So we root the A chord with a big E string, and we just take our finger, recreate that nut right there, everybody, and we just weld an E shape to it, I like to say. So this is E shape. We're playing major. Now, another major chord, we need our 4. Let's go to our 4. Our 4 is major. That D right there, let's put an A shape to it. So there's my A shape bar chord. Watch this, everybody. To go from 1 to 4, that's it. So you're set like Chet, if you see that right there. 1, 4. Now 5, right next to 4, a whole step away. So 5. Let's go back to 4. Bring it home. Back to A. Now let's learn a couple more things here. We've got our minor 2, and we've got our minor 3rd. We also have our minor 6. So are you seeing that? Do you know that? Do you know where those are? Or is that over your head? If that went over your head, it's no big deal. Just check the link in this description and catch up on those videos and come back to this lesson. It'll be right here for you and everything will make sense. It'll be great. And your mind is expanding with fretboard knowledge. It's so awesome. Now, there's my minor 3rd. Can you see that? I'm not playing A, but it's the same shape. Back to A. How did I determine that? 1, 2, 3. My 3rd tone of the major scale is minor, C sharp minor. My 2, 1, 2, needs to be minor as well. So B minor or B minor. Can you do that? Can you play a B minor right here and come right here and play B minor? We need these simple bar chords under our belt and in our vocabulary. We'll use them forever. They grow into greater, bigger, and better things. It's so fun. So 1. Let's go to 2. 2. Back to 1. Let's go to 4. 4. Let's go to 5. Let's go to 6. Let's go to 1. Can you see that? Do you spot that? Do you know what I'm talking about? That's my 1 chord. That's my 4 chord. That's my 5 chord. I added my minor 6, my minor 2nd, and I could have hit my minor 3rd. So the beautiful thing about these simple bar chords is they're shapes that we learn first in the bar chord world. But you can spend the next couple weeks, heck months, practicing playing these bar chords and changing them all over the neck. I'm just playing these simple shapes, but it's so important to know where your major 1 is, your major 4, your major 5, your minor 3rd, your minor 2, your minor 6. And we'll get to the half diminished 7. That pulls me back to 1. Can you see that? Do you understand any of this? Do you know that a 1, 4, 5 is that same pattern everywhere you go? Do you know your minor 3rd is to the left and down from your 1, just like that? You know where your minor 2 2 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'm just applying basic knowledge of 1, 4, 5, make those major chords. And 2, 3, and 6, I'm not even thinking about what type of minor chord. I'm just applying my basic minor shape. But let's learn this week how to see that under our fingers. And we apply this to the key of A. So A has A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, E major, F sharp minor, and back to A. I'm going to come back to the half diminished chord because I want to show you a lot of things with it. And we'll pick this lesson right back up, but let's spend our week practicing these shapes. See you in the next lesson, everybody.